here yeah, it is easy to see. You look, this is the graph, and these are the position x low. We have written here x low, and this is x up, a function of x up, and here is x up in this location. This is the origin, and here is the point x, and this is the f low. We can say fx low. So now it means for example, if f of x low is much closer to 0 than f of x up, it is likely that the root is closer to x low. Okay, low and up in the reference of the point only than to x up. So where is the fast position? Fast position method is an alternative approach where f of x low and f of x up are joined by a straight line, the intersection of which with the x-axis represent an improved estimate of the root. The intersection of this line with the x-axis represent an improved estimate of the root. So it is already clear in regular false position method. What are other important facts in regular false position method? So first is this method also known as द फॉल्स पोजीशन मेथड. कभी कभी कुछ लोग इसको केवल क्या कहते हैं, फॉल्स पोजीशन मेथड और लीनियर इंटरपोलेशन मेथड. सेकेंड, अनलाइक द बाइसेक्शन मेथड which divides the search interval by half, regular false position method interpolate f of xu and f of xl. U stand for up, L stand for low by a straight line, यानी उसके ऊपर और उसके नीचे, स्ट्रेट लाइन के ऊपर और नीचे. And the intersection of this line with the x-axis is used as the new search position. The slope of the line connecting f of xu and f of xl represent the average slope. Okay. So now, if you look the method inside the method, then this is the it will be clear here in this PPT, and you have to concentrate here. You connect the point A F A and B F B. You know the point A and the image point is f of A, and then B and f of B with a straight line. Find the regular first position f. You can represent this x of RFP means regular first position. So, which is the solution to the linear equation connecting the endpoints. So, look at the sign of f of x or fp, how it behaves. So, if in the graph it is clear here, this is the y is equal to fx, that is any graph, and this is the point actual root because this is crosses the x-axis. It means here it is, what is the equation of this axis? Equation of this axis is y is 0, means fx is 0. So this is actual root. Okay. Now this is the boundary A, and this is the point is B. So you can find out what is the coordinate here. Here coordinate is AFA, and here coordinate is BFP. Okay. So now if modulus of f of x or fp is less than epsilon, ये क्या है, छोटा है लेकिन पॉजिटिव है. If this is small and positive, then end algorithm you can write E this sign of f of x r f p, we can write sign क्या होगा, तो जो एफ ए का साइन होगा. ठीक है, तो एफ ए का साइन, then we can say कि a is equal to x r f p and this b is equal to x r f p. ये इधर भी हो सकता है और इधर भी आ सकता है, दोनों साइड पे आ सकता है. ओके, तो इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन, व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ द कार्ड, यानी इस कार्ड का इक्वेशन क्या होगा. The equation of the card, you know, y minus y1 divided by y minus y1 divided by x minus x, or y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So just we can apply this formula and you can get this result. So after this calculation, you will be able to write this equation as x RFP is equal to a minus FA into FB divided by FB minus FA. Okay, so this is already after calculation you will get this result. So now using the points, you can write the slope. What is the slope? FB minus FA divided by B minus A, and using the point you may develop and you will get this formula C is equal to AFB minus BFA divided by FB minus FA. So you have to remember this equation 4. This is as a formula. In this way, you can find out the value of C. Now, it means if you look into the graph of false position here, so all the approximation here, the ordinate you can look as we discuss AFA. So in case the values you are taking the ordinate x1, x2, x3 as per the successive approximation, then you will find the graph look like this. This is exact root, and all these roots are approximate. So if you will go for the successive approximation, then gradually you will get the closer to the root. Okay, so always you can start the root lies within the first. We always check where the roots lies, and we always have a litmus test. We will check where the function is positive and function is negative. So you can check here कि this is positive और यहाँ पर फंक्शन क्या है निगेटिव, तो रूट कहाँ होगा, इनके बीच में होगा. इनिशियली द रूट लाइज बिटवीन दिस, ये आपने डिक्लेयर कर दिया, लेकिन आफ्टर सम कैलकुलेशन इफ यू हैव द गेस हियर, एक गेस आपने यहाँ ले लिया, देन रूट में लाइज इनटू दिस, अगर गेस यहाँ लिया और इसको देखा, देन रूट लाइज विद इन दिस interval. Okay, so this you will check whenever we will discuss about the values, then accordingly we may find and we may declare where in which range the root is laying. Okay, so now for example you can take one polynomial. You find the root of the equation x cube minus 5x minus 7 is equal to 0, which approximately correct to 3 decimal places by using regular false position method. Okay, so how you can solve this? You can find out, you can rewrite the equation. This polynomial, that is fx is equal to x cube minus 5x minus 7 is 0. Then as I discussed in the previous lecture also, you can start your guess by putting here the different values of x. Of course, first of all, we may put the integral values, 0, 1, 2, and so on, all the values. So here you can check the f of 0, obviously that will be negative. F of 1, that will also be negative. And f of 2 is also negative. So you can discard the value of 0 and 1, and you can write here f of 2, more closer. F2 is negative. Why? Because F3 is positive. So you can choose this interval. It means the value is lying between 2 and 3, because this satisfies this. F2 into F3 is less than 0. So Fx has a root between 2 and 3. Okay, so it is clear. So prima facie we have to search the interval in this method. And if you have already you find the interval, then you can restrict yourself where is the value, and then you can utilize the formula. So for nth order, you can write the regular false position method, the general formula. You have to remember this, which I have already presented into the form of AFB minus BFA. But here you can generalize that result, that is xn is equal to xn f of xn minus 1 minus xn minus 1 f of xn divided by f of xn minus 1 minus f of xn, and we may start with x naught is equal to 2. So this is again, this depend upon your expertise. If you look closely, so f2 is negative minus 2, f3 is positive. So here you have chosen x naught is equal to 2 and x1 is equal to 3. Then x2 is equal to 2.6. So if x1 is 3, just to check, then you will get x2 is equal to 2.6 and by using this formula. If this is 2.6, but f of 2.6, if you will put here 2.6, then you are seeing the value is minus 2.424, but f3 is 5. It means if f3 is 5, then you can may calculate x3 is equal to 2.73 by using again this formula. It means f of 2.73 is equal to negative minus 0.30. You look, this value is far, but this value is more closer to 0. Since we are getting close to the root, any more closer to 0 means closer to the root. So we calculate f of 2.75 is equal to, अब यहाँ इस वैल्यू को अगर हमने ले लिया, then you look the value of f of 2.75 is this is positive, and the value is very smaller, that is 0.046875. Therefore, the next approximation is x4 is equal to 2.7473. Okay. Now, if you look the approximations and the values, the convergence, then 2.7, you can check the at least one decimal place is already almost converging, and second is also near to converge. So x4 is 2.7473. After repeating the same process, you will get this minus 0.0062. It is more closer to 0. Okay, so x5 you can declare that is 2.74724. Okay, so it is just to check. This says x4 and x5 almost 3 positions are converging. It means the value of the root convert to 3 decimal places is 2.747. So this is the methodology of regular false position method, how you will calculate the root by adopting all the computational procedure of the method. Okay, so what is the summary? Summary of false position method means what is the advantage? Advantage, of course, this method is simple and brackets the root. Disadvantage can be very slow. You know कि convergence rate is very slow. Like bisection need an initial interval around the root. तो यहाँ भी एक interval चाहिए जो root के आसपास का हो, as we discuss in the bisection method. So this is about regular false position method. Okay. Thank you.